What's up everyone, I'm Anastasia, a stretch and mobility coach. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a hip opening intense stretching routine for the middle split. The best part is that we don't need any equipment, just make sure you're wearing something stretchy, something comfy, and when you are ready, let's begin. So we start right away with the first exercise. We are standing on our knees, putting one of our leg to the side, hands in front of us, and with the exhale, we are going into half middle lunge, relaxing our hips, putting them as low as possible. Make sure you're holding one line here, so you push your knee backwards and you push your hips forward, opening the hips and up. Let's go 10 times. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 3 more, and 8 and 9, and the last one we hold 10. Let's hold here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax your body, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's switch legs. 1, 2, ready? Let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 3 more, 8 and 9. Last one we hold 8. We hold 1, 2, relax your hips, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And relax. We go down to our hips, opening our legs wide. You should feel comfortable here. Now we are going to do the hips rotation here. One leg is moving inside. You rotate your hips as much as possible and come back to center. Switch to another one. Rotate as much as possible. Put your hips down and come back to center. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. From here, we are going to push our hips in circles. To create a great mobility in this area, we use our chest. Our chest moves down and up. Relax your hips, make sure they are moving as well. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Switch direction. And 1, 2, relax your hips fully. 3, 4, go as low as you can. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. From here, we are going to butterfly position. We stay on our hips, put our feet together, open our knees to the side, relax your hips, and let's gently do a pulses down with our knees. We go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's use our inner thigh muscles to push our knees to the floor. We do inhale, and with the exhale, we push the knees down and relax. Let's do a few times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's come back to our knees. From here, we put one leg to the side, our hands down. We go up, hold, down, gently slide to the side to your lowest position. Move forward, move backwards, come back to center, and come back to the start. And 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Few more times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last one. 1, 2, and 3. And we hold here 4. Let's hold on your lowest maximum position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Let's switch the legs. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Come back. 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And we hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Moving into frog. From the knee, we gently moving into frog position. You can either stay here or going down to your elbows. And we move our hips forward and back. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. One more. 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Now we are ready to try our middle split. Let's go up. And with the exhale, gently lean down to your lowest position. You can stay here or you can go down to your elbows. And we hold this position for 20 seconds. If you can move your hips forward and back, that would be great. Let's hold 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Done. Good job, we are done for today. Thank you very much for joining me for this class and watching this video. Please do not forget to put a like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss any new stretching, fitness, Pilates or tutorial videos. And I'm going to see you very soon here on my channel for your next class. Bye!